Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Normaliha as the Managing Editor of Indonesian Journal of Islam and Muslim Societies. Indonesian Journals of Islam and Muslim Societies has the perspective of humanities and social sciences. This journal also has program at bridging the gap between the textual and contextual approaches to Islamic studies, and also it is to dissolve the dichotomy between Orthodox and heterodox Islam. This journal invites the intersections of several disciplines and scholars. In other words, its contributor borrowed from a range of disciplines, including the humanities and social sciences. And dear authors, if you want to submit your manuscript, so please remember that language of publications is in English. We do not accept any manuscript written in non-English. And this journal has been first published in 2011, so it is now about 8 years ago. And 4 years after the first publication, it's around in 2014, IJIMS has been granted a national accreditation A. So this is the highest level of national accreditation for journal in Indonesia. And 2 years after, in 2016, we have been accepted to be indexed in Scopus. And in 2017, we also invited to be indexed in ASEAN Citation Index, or ACI. The same thing, in 2018, 2 years after we have been indexed in Scopus, we are invited to be indexed in ATLA. It is the American Library Association. And in 2018, we also accepted to be indexed in Web of Science in exactly Clarivate Analytics in 2018. Although we have been indexed in Scopus in 2016, we just been accepted to be indexed in SCImago, it is the SGR, in 2019, exactly in the 31 of May. And Alhamdulillah, we got the best quartile in SGR. This is the quartile 1 with the score of 0.16. And in this case, we have been indexed in SCImago Journal Ranking in Religious Studies. This achievement is a very nice thing because IJIMS become the first and the only journal in Indonesia who got the best quartile SQ1. And also, in 2019, we are invited by the government, and we are granted as the best institution in managing international journal. And this is also another achievement that we have in 2019. So we invite for all contributors interested in religious studies especially to submit your manuscript online in ijims.einsalatiga.ac.id, and we wait for your manuscript to be submitted here. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As Editor-in-Chief of Indonesian Journal of Islam and Muslim Societies, I would like to gratefully acknowledge the contribution of all editors and reviewers who were engaged for Indonesian Journal of Islam and Muslim Societies for 2011-2019. The thanks for evaluating manuscript refer in particular also to colleagues who are not members of the editorial boards. Their time and consuming services are greatly appreciated, and their expertise and the valuable criticism on the content and the style of submitted manuscripts contributed very much to maintain the high standard of the journal. I would also like to thank the international editors of the journal for their continuing support, thereby ensuring the high quality of the journal and its further increase. These all ensure that the aim of Indonesian Journal of Islam and Muslim Societies is maintained to communicate significant research document by presenting accurate, ambitious data in easily readable forms. The very encouraging development of Indonesian Journal of Islam and Muslim Societies continued in 2019. By the end of October 2019, we will have received more than 100 manuscripts. This is more than ever before. All signs indicates that the number of high-quality manuscripts will further increase in the next year. Thus, the Simago Journal ranks of the journal for 2019 has reached 0.16, and I predict a further significant increase for the next year. Indonesian Journal of Islam and Muslim Societies has also again become faster. Nevertheless, we will continue our effort to further reduce the time required for handling in the peer review manuscript. Thank you all very much for your continued support of Indonesian Journal of Islam and Muslim Societies. I wish you the very best for your health and success in research in upcoming year. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.